Hey everyone! Welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make cinnamon swirl bread. To get started, add 4 cups of bread flour to a stand mixer, along with 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of instant yeast, 3/4 cup of warm water, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, half a cup of warm milk, and 1 egg. Add the dough hook attachment and mix for 10 minutes. Or knead the dough with your hands. I ended up kneading with my hands in the end because my mixer does not do well with large amounts of dough. Knead until the dough is soft, then shape the dough into a smooth ball. Lightly spray a bowl with cooking spray and add the dough. Cover the bowl and let rise in a warm place for 1 hour or until doubled in size. Once the dough has doubled, flip it out of the bowl onto a clean work surface. Roll the dough the same width as the loaf pan you're using, then roll into a rectangle until about 1/4 inch thick. Combine 1/4 cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Sprinkle the filling on top of the dough and spread evenly, leaving about a 1/2 inch border with no filling. Roll up the dough tightly. And pinch the end to seal. Spray the loaf pan with cooking spray and add the loaf seam side down. Cover and let rise in a warm place for 30 minutes or until doubled in size. Once doubled, brush on milk or an egg wash. Then bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes or until the loaf is golden brown. Let cool in the pan for 5 to 10 minutes before inverting onto a cooling rack. Slice the bread while still warm or completely cooled. And that's it! This bread tastes a lot like cinnamon rolls. All that's missing is the cream cheese frosting. So what's not to love? Let us know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching! Bye!
Like and subscribe, please.